Take a moment to check out the 2019 Honda Odyssey. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, fog lamps. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.